Whew. Oh my goodness, it's kind of chilly outside. Okay, so getting into it. First off, what's going on, YouTube family, my subscribers, all that. Yeah, I've been away for a little bit, for about like a month and a half, and I'm kind of disappointed in myself. But you know, I want to move past that and continue making videos again like I used to on a like every other weekly basis. Okay, so now, as I said, getting into it, I sold my AFE Stage 2 Power cold air intake, as you can tell from the title of the video. And yes, I did not sell it because I didn't like it. I just sold it because I'm making a big step for my car, for the N52 engine, and that is to do the 3-stage intake upgrade. Now, I already have the 3-stage intake manifold. I had it for about a few months, not even a few months, more than a few months, like about like 6, 7, 8 months now, right? And I just been waiting for the perfect time to install it, have my boy install it. And the great thing is that we just recently found out, well, I recently found out that I can tune my car, my 328, for free with the Beamer Labs tune. And I'm in a Facebook group, E90 Facebook group on Facebook, obviously. I'm in a group on there, on that app. And this one guy told me, hey, do this tune, it's free, you don't gotta pay for anything. Because I was gonna go and buy Active AutoWorks tune for like about $500, and thank God that he told me about this, because I don't have to spend a lot of money on this. I can save so much money and then use that money to get something else, you know, for my car. The AFE intake, it was good when I first installed it. I did a video on that, you can check that out on my channel. It's like I did it like about, I think I did it last year, I made that video, but it's gotten like over like 1,100 views, I think, around there, and that's pretty good for me. I love that my videos are getting up there a teeny bit, just a teeny bit. The intake has done my car pretty good amount of justice. My miles per gallon has gotten better. It sounds great. Obviously, that's what air intakes are for. They make the car sound really good. And wow, that guy almost got in an accident. Freaking idiots, man, on this road, Jesus. But yeah, it made my car sound really good. It made it have better miles per gallon, got better on gas, you know. It was all of that thing, all of those things, and I loved it. I loved it for the 7-8 months that I had it. So I just decided to, like, yo, you know what? I'm just gonna sell this intake for like $250 or whatever, way less than what you'll buy it for online, you know, cause that's a $500 intake, $400 or $500 intake. And that shit's kind of expensive, and I honestly don't think it's worth it for that much, for that amount of money. But you know, they're selling it for that much, so hey, what can you do? So I sold it, you know, and I just wanted to just upgrade my car to the next level and have it become a way better daily driver, a way more fun daily drive, you know, all those goody things. And it's time. And with this free Beamer Labs tune, I'm gonna do it. I have the intake, I got the tune, I got the files. Even though the freaking Beamer Labs tune was a headache, sort of, not even sort of, it was a headache to like get together, because the SP data files and all this other stuff was all not updated and all this other stuff. So we just, man, listen, I don't even want to get into it. It's crazy how much time me and my boy had to put in to get the freaking program to work right. So yeah, so I'm gonna actually do the tune tomorrow. I'm gonna go to his house tomorrow right before work, and we're gonna do all the stuff and get the tune ready, and install the tune, flash in my car, and get my car ready to take it to the next step, so it could be a better, fun, whatever you call it, a way much better daily, basically. And I honestly, I cannot wait. And I actually used to have a 330, an E90 330, and I got into an accident. That's another story. I might do a video on that story, because that story is it still makes me sad to think about it, that I lost that car. I love that car so much. It was my first E90. And this video is almost about to be wrapped up. It was just a short-lived video. I wanted to do a short video to make up for all the time that I haven't been doing any videos, producing any content for you guys, and I apologize again for that. I need to step my game up a little bit more. But it's been, you know, busy. Life be hitting you hard, you know, being an adult, living on your own, you know, it's a little bit more rough, but not that bad. But yeah, that's mainly why I haven't been really just doing the videos. I just took a break, you know. Every YouTuber, even though I'm not a big name YouTuber, even we all need a break from something, mentally, physically, you know. It's healthy for you, so please do it. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up this video. I can't wait to get this tune done tomorrow. The intake manifold, I'm gonna install it after I put in and after I install it too, I'm gonna put the intake manifold in. Me and my boy gonna do it, and then once that all occurs and all finished and done with, this car is gonna be totally transformed, and I can't wait. All right, so to conclude this video, if you guys enjoyed it, you liked it, you know, I don't think it was informative. I'm just telling you guys what I did with my AFE intake, what I'm gonna do now. You know, just if you're happy about the news, leave a like, leave a comment. What you think I should do next after I do the intake manifold upgrade? I might do headers. People kept mentioning not AFE headers. Well, the AFE does have headers, but Active Auto was headers, AA headers. But I don't know. I might not even get headers. I might just leave it how it is after I get the intake manifold and probably a Eurobox air intake, you know. But yeah, leave a like, leave a comment what I should do next after I upgrade the car. Any further questions you want to ask me about what I might do next or whatever the case is, feel free to ask me, comment down below. And until then, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Love y'all. Stay safe.